My name is Min Huynh, and I'm a fitness instructor at the Employee Fitness and Wellness Center. The TRX suspension trainer helps with flexibility, mobility, and strength training by providing a wide range of motions. You can work your legs, your arms, your abs, your core, and any necessary major muscle group that you need. Its major benefit is that you can adjust your own body weight percentage, the amount of resistance that you need, the speed of your repetitions, or just the stability base, which increases the difficulty. So through the variability of the difficulty, it can be used by just about anybody. I'd recommend this system because it's small, portable. You can use it in a variety of ways to cover everything you would need. And it's useful in a small, limited space and can be used anywhere you need.